The industrial maintenance and electrical technology programs offered at Northeast share many of the same classes and train students to work in a variety of settings. Graduates of these programs achieve a 2-year Associate of Applied Science degree. Industrial maintenance prepares graduates with a solid foundation in electrical and mechanical concepts, as well as hands-on training with PLCs, robotics, motor controls, hydraulics, pneumatics, and other equipment. Completion of this program leads to high-demand jobs working to maintain and repair industrial equipment. The electrical technology program also prepares students to work in industrial settings, as well as prepares them for careers with electrical power companies and electrical contractors. Graduates of the electrical program learn to install, operate, maintain, and repair electrically energized systems in residential, commercial, and industrial settings.
The industrial maintenance and electrical technology programs lead to careers in a variety of industrial settings. If you're a student who is motivated to learn with an interest in how things operate, this could be a great field for you.
I love my job at APMM. Coming to Northeast definitely gave me the competitive advantage I needed to land my dream job.
I am pursuing an industrial maintenance degree because I know it's such a well-paying industry, and I know I will always have a job if I'm willing to work for it. I could even see myself starting my own electrical business one day, but whatever I do, I know my degree will always provide security and stability for me and my family.
I have been able to apprentice at Cooper Electric Controls while in the industrial maintenance program. This allows me to directly apply skills I am learning every day.
This is where students can come to build a strong foundation in industrial maintenance.
At Northeast, our goal is for every student to graduate with the skills and knowledge needed for your next step in your career or education. Here are some program highlights for the industrial maintenance technology and electrical technology programs.